Monday morning here at the brewery. Vlog, let's go on a journey. So beyond this garage door lies what was formerly the press room of KDG. We're in a transition period. One of the main goals this year is to clear out this space. It's gonna take quite a long time, but we'll get there. Anyone recognize these guys? They were in the Snug. Snug has been updated. We gotta figure out what we're gonna do with these now. Let's go for an aerial view. We sold some of the big presses. We sold a lot of the little machinery last week, in fact. This is the old dye room where they make the dyes for KDG. Sold all of these large machineries over here, except for that guy. This week, we're planning on brewing Hooligan, Mr. IPA, and a new one, which is a Vienna Lager. Before we can get to Project Press Room, we've got to do some money-making activity, and that starts with the inventory. Let's see how much beer was drank this weekend. What are we doing today? Today we're selling some beer. How do we do that? We go out into the world and talk to people. Hey, do you want some beer? Do you want some beer? Oh yeah, it is a glorious day in the mitten. Look at this huge tire over here. You know, that used to be a Ferris wheel. Now it's a tire. Drinks. Brand new bar in the house. Mix on Roosevelt. We were over at Park Athletic picking out some hockey jerseys. Downey Brewing Company sponsors Hattrick Swayze's. Went to go say hi, and turns out they're fans of the brewing company. We are here at Green Dot Stables. Just went and made some introductions and set up a beer sampling for next Tuesday. If you guys haven't been here, you gotta check it out. They've got the best sliders in Detroit. Just trying to figure out what exactly we've got going on here. It's about 6 p.m. January 8th. Got one last sales call to end the day. And in the news, we sold 10 kegs today. We did that every day, we'd be cruising, baby. It's all about that hustle. It's been a good week so far, but we've got to press on. Headed back downtown. Got a sampling at Bootcrest Grill. We're going to go chat up Apparatus Room and drop off a keg and wind down. Shut back! There's a lot of fucking traffic on the highway. I can jam out, you know. Fucking guys screwing up all the traffic. Yeah, in Holder. Anybody got time for that, dog? Anybody got time for that? Alright. There is a keg of Hooligan headed to the Speedboat Bar and Grill in Wyandotte, right on the water. Vlog, what up? We're expanding our outside sales. If you have any suggestions where you would like to see Downey Brewing Company, let us know. We'll hit it up. Today, we're gonna go a little rogue. We're headed to the Royal Oak / Ferndale area. Made it out to the Royal Oak area, about to hit up this piano bar. Feel like that'd be a cool spot for some Downey beer, eh? We've got some news for you. Let's hit it. We got a big week next week. We are going to Ashley's Brewery's Throwdown. Our round 1 matchup is Wednesday, January 16th. We've got our chili cook-off Sunday, January 20th. Registration is between 1 and 2 p.m. The tasting will be from 2 to 4 p.m. and we'll tally the votes at 4 p.m. I spent a few weeks in South America at the end of 2018 and the inventory really got away from me. It's a good thing you guys were staying thirsty though. Oh, hey there. Today is Saturday, January 12th, 2019. About 1:30 in the afternoon. We're getting prepped for tomorrow's brew day. We have to clean the kettle, fermenter, and the wort chiller. And get our grains ready. I don't know what Chuck got himself into, but he was a dirty fellow. It's all good though. We're cleaning them out.